Ever wonder how some of these modular homes get to their destination? Well, let's rewind this clip a little bit. And then when we zoom in, you see, no, not the tank, although this tool is very similar. Yeah, right there. There it is. The platypus? No, not the animal. The tool. The platypus is a house mover, and it helps us get these houses, well, to their home. It is equipped with heavy-duty excavator-type tracks and hydraulic system, powered by a Kohler engine that can lift, move, and steer homes around obstacles with ease.
I good on my guardrail, Mike, when I set it down?
You'll be right over top.
Once you don't touch it.
Look okay, Ryan?
By reducing hazards and man-hours per set, the platypus is just one of the many tools we incorporate into our process that make it safer and faster, which ultimately saves you time and frustration. So hopefully this solves the mystery of how we get these homes into some of these hollers and hills. You can always depend on us.
Depend on us, we're American Homes, the best in